Professor Asadi Srinivasulu, the resource person of today. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Hope I am audible to everyone.
Yes, you are
Yes,
audible.
yes. Yeah.
Yes,
Thank you.
madam.
Good evening, everyone. It is an absolute honor and privilege to introduce today's distinguished resource person, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, a globally recognized academic researcher and technologist whose contributions to the fields of artificial intelligence, data science, and information technology are nothing short of extraordinary. Dr. Srinivasulu currently serves as a visiting professor at Creakier University of Newcastle, Australia, with over 24 years of experience spanning academia, industry, and international institutions. His work is at the cutting edge of intelligent systems and data innovation. He holds dual PhDs, one in artificial intelligence from IIT Allahabad and another in data science from JNTU Anantapur, and has previously led research initiatives at Bluecrest University in Liberia and served as a subject matter expert at Deloitte, India. Dr. Asadi has a remarkable academic footprint, having reviewed over 96 theses, adjudicated 50 PhD dissertations across 19 universities, and mentored a generation of scholars, including 3 awarded PhDs and 5 ongoing doctoral students. He has published an impressive 197 plus research papers in reputed international journals and conferences, with over 80 indexed in SCI, Scopus, or Web of Science. He is also the author of 8 textbooks and 32 book chapters and has 4 patents to his credit. His research spans a wide range of cutting-edge areas, including artificial intelligence, biodata, big data analytics, pattern recognition, cloud computing, and robotic process automation. Dr. Asadi's global recognition includes prestigious awards such as Best International Scientific Researcher Award in 2022 by Research India Foundation, Outstanding Teacher Award in 2022-2023, Bharat Vidya Ratan by the International Business Council, Delhi, and the recent Best Academic and Research Guide Award 2025 for his exemplary mentorship in AI and data science. He is an active editorial board member and reviewer for top-tier journals, including those published by IEEE, Springer, Elsevier, India Science, and Hindawi, and is affiliated with more than a dozen international organizations, including IEE, ACM, CSI, ISTE, and IAENG. His educational journey has taken him across the globe, from India to Australia, Malaysia, Ghana, Ethiopia, Singapore, Liberia, and beyond, enriching the global research ecosystem wherever he goes. Please join me in extending a warm and enthusiastic welcome to Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, our esteemed resource person for today's session. We eagerly look forward to the wealth of knowledge and insight he will share with us. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for nice introduction. A warm welcome to all the participants from India, abroad, and as well as research scholars. A good evening, one and all. Today, I would like to share and demonstrate various AI skills, how we are going to develop uh, the best research article by using artificial intelligence and ICT tools. And this is the good platform created by Professor and Chairman of RIF Research India Foundation. Thanks to Rajendra sir for such a wonderful event is organizing. It is beneficial for research scholars and students and faculty members and industry members. So today I would like to share my topic on prompt engineering for artificial intelligence, how best we are creating abstract concepts into a smart research topics. That means, let me justify what is the title all about it. How exactly you are writing prompts for developing AI based research article and without plagiarism, how best we are utilizing skills, that is nothing but here prompts, how efficiently you are utilizing prompts in order to develop such a beautiful and excellent research article by using various AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and various content writing tools and diagram development tools, storytelling tools. There are numerous artificial intelligence tools are available. Artificial intelligence is nothing but intelligent behavior in a machine. The science and engineering to develop intelligent kind of based applications by using various technologies like Hadoop, Spark, and machine learning, deep learning, even cyber security, privacy preserving, so many latest technologies, including generative AI, artificial intelligence, generative AI, federated learning, explainable AI, transfer learning. These are the latest technologies we are utilizing and developing very good research articles. So let me uh, explain what is this technical name of this sort of image. So promptly I'm expecting answer from you. Today I'm discussing about prompt engineering and we are learning many skills, how best I can utilize efficient prompts in order to making science citation index papers and scopus papers. See here, so many technologies, so many techniques are utilizing in this prompt engineering. That is called a word cloud of prompt engineering. So let me justify once again today's title. So how best I can use my prompts? So suppose abstract concept how I'm converting into a smart research topics. See, first I'm searching as my prompt is, suppose I'm using ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini with voice or text, whatever your wish. I'm writing AI in healthcare within the double quotation. Whenever you are mentioning double quotation, the chatbot or AI tool called ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, it takes as first priority within the double quotation. I'm searching for the concept. I don't know anything about, I'm a layman in research. I would like to use prompts effectively. I'm using like this within the double quotation, AI in healthcare, because so many AI techniques are involved in the healthcare sector. That is the reason every computer science, electronics, all engineering students are performing uh, AI tools they are utilizing and developing healthcare applications. AI in healthcare, I'm typing as a prompt, AI in healthcare. So that is the initial prompt. Broadly, I'm asking the question, prompt. Question means prompt. Suggest a research topic about AI in healthcare. Immediately, my AI tool responds, my chat GPT responds, the output like using AI for improving patient care in hospitals. Immediately it gives a response using AI for improving patient care in hospitals. Then again, I'm asking refined prompt, specific, what I'm looking in my research. Just I'm taking one example. Generate a research topic on how artificial intelligence can assist in diagnosing lung diseases using X-ray images, CT scan images in rural healthcare settings in India. That I am looking. Here, I am taking as an input X-ray images, CT scan images, and I'm finding whether that images having lung disease or not. I'm checking if that is a refined prompt. Then again, my artificial intelligence tool, ChatGPT responds output like developing a convolutional neural network. It is a topic name. Developing a convolutional neural networks based diagnostic tool for early detection of lung diseases from chest X-ray and CT scan images in rural Indian hospitals using artificial intelligence. So now I got it a title based on my raw data I have chosen with the prompt. And now I'm converting into smart. Why it's a smart topics? Now I'm going to develop smart topics by using AI tool. It is a specific because it focuses on lung diseases and chest X-ray or CT scan images. And what is the measurable thing in this conversion abstract topic to smart topic? It diagnostic accuracy can be measured. And what is achievable? Here, it uses existing CNN model. It is artificial intelligence and deep learning technique and data sets like X-ray data sets, CT scan data set, and text-based data set. Data set is nothing but combination of rows and columns. Then what is the relevant? Targets rural healthcare, a real-world issue. It's a current problem. It's a issue, research challenge. And what is the time bound? It can be scoped for 6 to 12 months. I'm finding the outcome. So this is my title justification of today's topic. And what are the today's workshop highlights? Why I can say workshop? If you are having system, so simultaneously here I am going to show you all the prompts of engineering in how best I can utilize the prompts by using AI tool ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, or Microsoft Copilot, Google Docs, or MS Word, ICT tools. And it is a hands-on interactive workshop. And what are the learning outcomes today's workshop? After completion of this workshop, every participant understand how this prompt engineering works with AI tools and how best I can utilize the prompts for developing such a beautiful research proposal for to get the funding from DST, SERB, or AICT funding, UGC, or many other funding organizations. Use prompts to convert vague concepts into smart research topics. I'm going to show you practical demonstration how best I can utilize various prompts. And the third objective is I'm refining AI generated topics iteratively. By using ChatGPT is a AI tool and it generated content. And again, if I want, I can do it iteratively. Then apply artificial intelligence to generate outlines and objectives and titles for academic papers. I'm going to see after completion of the workshop, you are able to do wonderful papers like Science Citation Index, SCI papers, Scopus, Web of Science papers, etc. So today I am going to demonstrate various prompts for developing a Science Citation Index paper, SCI paper, Scopus paper, or Web of Science paper. So I'm transforming all abstracts ideas into smart research topics using prompt engineering. It explains how strategically I'm utilizing crafting AI prompts can refine broad concepts like AI in healthcare into specific, measurable, and research-ready topics. So this flowchart, first I'm giving the first prompt is I'm asking to ChatGPT, AI in healthcare. Immediately it responds, suggest a research topic about in healthcare. Then immediately AI output gives us using AI for improving patient care in hospitals. Then and refining AI output smart topic like it's a research paper title, developing a CNN-based diagnostic tool for early detection of lung diseases from chest X-rays in rural healthcare settings in India. Then finally, we are getting a why it's Rajendra sir given the title smart topics we are generating from the scratch by using specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So this is the way we are utilizing the steps I'm going to demonstrate. So let me justify the contents of today's workshop. I have divided into four modules or segments. The first segment is Introduction to Prompt Engineering for Research. Here, the objective of the first segment is we are familiarizing participants with the concept and syntax of prompts. How best I can utilize prompts for asking chatbot or AI tool. Then what are the activities we are going to do? So in this first segment, we are learning what is prompt engineering and what are the types of prompts like instructional, iterative, chain of thoughts, etc. And what are the do's and don'ts of prompting? And I'm going to show you basic versus advanced prompts in ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a AI tool, artificial intelligence tool, content writing tool. ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. And practical session, use a general prompt like list 5 research areas related to climate change, any topic. And then use an improved prompt like generate 5 research topics on climate change impact on agriculture in South Asia, I'm asking. This is the syllabus of first segment. And the second segment concept is convert abstract ideas into specific research. What is meant by research? Search for new knowledge by utilizing existing survey, research papers. We are finding the research challenges, research issues, research gaps in the existing papers. Then we are developing a specific research domain, specific topic. And what is the objective of in this converting abstract ideas into specific research? Narrow down from broad ideas using layered prompting. Then what are the activities we are performing? Group Brainstorming, select two abstract themes. Example, artificial intelligence in education, sustainable energy, or any else, anything you can take your own domain. Introduce prompt scaffolding like from abstract, narrow down, specific problem we are finding. Then I am going to demonstrate practical session. Starts with an abstract concept like artificial intelligence in education. Use AI tool to generate subdomains like example, AI in special education, adaptive learning, plagiarism detection, etc. Then select one, refine to a niche topic using prompts. So this is segment 2. Then segment 3, making topics smart using prompt loops. How iteratively I can utilize all the prompts to generate content related to science citation index paper, Scopus paper, conference paper, and a Web of Science paper. And what is the objective of this third module? Iteratively refine topics to meet SMART criteria. Then what are the activities I am going to perform? Explain SMART framework. SMART is nothing but specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. How to ask AI to assess and revise research topics for smartness. I'm going to develop with the practical session. How I'm going to do practical session? Give a prompt, evaluate the SMART criteria for this topic, AI in mental health diagnosis, and follow up with revise to make it more measurable and time bound. Continue until a smart research topic is finalized. Share two best topics with the group. This is the third segment. And the last and final module 4, from research topic to outline plus title generation. Up to title generation, I am going to do today's workshop. Then what is the objective of this fourth module? We are generating a paper outlines. What are the objectives and the titles from smart topics? And the activities like prompt examples are generate a research paper, outline for the topic, that is blockchain in electronic health record system for rural hospitals in India. So suggest 3 titles for this paper. Write 3 objectives and 2 hypotheses for this study. These are the prompts. Keep in mind, you are a prompt engineer right now because you are giving your own prompts. How effectively you are utilizing prompts to make the best research article. Hands-on, each participant gives their final topic to artificial intelligence and extracts research title, abstract, objectives, method outline. This is my target. Today 4 modules I am going to demonstrate. So coming to first module, introduction to prompt engineering for research. So by using ChatGPT or Claude or any AI tool, and how effectively you are using the prompts to develop the best research article. So for a brief explanation of how to design effective instructions for artificial intelligence to get relevant responses from the from AI tool. And what are the types of prompts we are using? Instructional, iterative, chain of thoughts, various prompts we are utilizing. See, the evolution of prompt engineering, it starts in 2010 to today. What are which stage we are in right now? We are using ChatGPT 4.0. So this evolution of a timeline, natural language processing, is nothing but study of different languages, study of linguistics. And the evolution of natural language process starts uh, the year 2010 to 2018. We have started chat GPT-1, fast text, glow, and elmo. Then the year 2019, chat GPT-2, generative pre-trained transformer 2, bart, robot ts. These are the tools, AI tools. Then 2020, chat GPT-3 and GPT-3, chat GPT, Cohere, and Electra. So these are the remaining 2020 AI tools. I have started chat GPT in the year 2020. Last 5 years I'm using, and so far I have developed nearly last 5 years 100 research articles I have developed. And below 5% plagiarism, there are some tools and techniques you need to use how best you can develop a uh, research paper. Right now we are using licensed versions because free versions doesn't have so many features. We are using the ChatGPT 4, Claude, and Gemini also came into the market competitors. And what is meant by prompt engineering? See, prompt engineering is nothing but how effectively and efficiently you are writing your prompts to generate content, diagram, table, figures, and PowerPoint presentation, Excel, whatnot. How best you are using a prompts, just like you are giving input question, example, formatting, by using large language models like generative pre-trained transformer 4.0, OpenAI. OpenAI is the company developed ChatGPT 4.0, and Gemini 1.5, it is developed by Google DeepMind. Then Claude 3, Anthropic. These are the top 3 AI tools right now in the market based on their features, based on their review comments, and these three are giving the best outputs. And finally, we are getting a research paper. So, this workflow of this workflow diagram of prompt engineering, uh, we are using as it fetches data from various databases and other info stores. Databases means we have a number of data centers, for each company having their own data center. Data center is nothing but integration of high computing configuration servers at one place is called data center. Data center stores a huge volume of data. Then we are writing workflows like prompt recipe and prompt libraries. We are using methodologies and prompt. Finally, we are generative AI using latest technology, and we are using this ChatGPT 4.1. That is the latest version right now available, and where AI prompt engineering solutions are used. For content creation, we are using various tools, and training and education, we are using AI prompt engineering, programming and coding, and healthcare. Everywhere we are using this AI prompt engineering, especially in healthcare sector, education sector, programming, coding. Wherever data is presented, we are utilizing this AI prompt engineering. And after completion of the prompt engineering, what are the roles, what are the skills, and what are the skills you are achieving, what is the background required for this prompt engineering. Nowadays, there is no background for prompt engineering. If you know English, proper English, and a minimum degree qualification, if you are able to write good prompts, and you can generate a huge amount of salary. And the role you are getting, work with the cross-functional teams to discuss product development and design level of AI tools, and design, develop, and refine. And we are getting skills like natural language processing, like conversion of from English to Hindi, Hindi to Chinese, Chinese to Telugu, like knowledge of natural language processing and machine learning. Machine learning is a sub part of artificial intelligence, learning from the observational data with the help of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. We are solving classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection, etc., and comprehensive knowledge of AI generated content. So usually this prompt engineering chooses the background, bachelor's degree in computer science or machine learning or any other related field. Additional certifications recommended. In USA, at the junior level, they are getting 2,80,000 per annum. And average salary they are getting 3,27,000 per annum. Senior scale, they are getting $3,75,000 US dollar salary. So what are the examples of prompt engineering? See, very simple, creating a short story, general prompt, how we are giving, within the double quotation, don't forget it. Write a short story. Then what is the engineered prompt? Write a suspenseful short story set in a futuristic city where the main character discovers a hidden secret about the city's AI ruler using vivid imagery and dialogue. So my short story, I'm creating a short story by using ChatGPT. Simply I'm writing my prompt, write a short story. Then see, one more example, cooking recipe suggestions. Just a generic prompt like give me a recipe. Immediately engineered prompt says that provide a vegetarian recipe for a quick, healthy dinner using common ingredients like tomatoes, spinach, mushrooms, and describe the steps in a simple, easy to follow manner. See, the third example, historical analysis. Generic prompt says that tell me about the Industrial Revolution. Then see engineering prompt. See, these are the examples. Travel planning. The prompt you are suggest a travel destination. Then language learning. What is the generic prompt you are giving? Teach me Spanish. I don't know. Then see the one more example. Fitness advice you are asking. See, recently one article yesterday came in article, one miracle happened. Not miracle actually. Her mother suffering from some cancer, and it is not a cure. So many doctors suggested, so many prescriptions they are utilizing, but not at cure. Then she took help of ChatGPT, and she uploaded all the prescriptions and the course her mother used to take everyday medicine, everything, history of symptoms, what sort of problems, everything she has feed, and she is expecting answers from the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is raising questions, she is giving answers. Finally, the ChatGPT given a wonderful answer, because your mother is taking one medicine, it is not good for health. So overdose that medicine as that answer came from the ChatGPT. Then they stopped using that medicine, and then again she took that prescription to in front of doctor. Doctor suggested, yes, it is correct. You try this one. Then after 1 week or 2 weeks, now she's cured and she's doing everything. Now she told that, see, ChatGPT saved my mother life. So this is the article yesterday. It came into the newspaper. These are the so many domains we are taking and giving prompts like product review analysis. You are checking the feedback. Suppose I am purchasing iPhone through I'm using Amazon, Flipkart. So there I'm checking the reviews, product review analysis. So I'm taking a prompt like summarize product reviews and educational content for children. So write a children's story. Can you solve this problem? See, I can write my own prompts for preparing a SCA paper. I'm going to show you how easily you can develop a research article. Then business strategy development, generic prompt like how to improve my business. Mental health tips like how to deal with this stress. These are the best real-time examples. So that's why prompt engineering playing a vital role in order to get best output. So here, the structure of prompt engineering techniques in large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, etc. So here, we are using one hierarchical structure. So whether you are using a contextual prompts, prompt decomposition, prompt templates, prompt pipelines, prompt chaining, agents, etc. So what are the prompt engineering types? We have a purpose, technique, AI model. See, purpose is fine tuning my research article, generative creative text form, information retrieval, reasoning and problem solving. What are the techniques I'm using? Template based prompts, open-ended prompts, see, contrastive prompts, examples, human blended working. What are the AI models I'm using? I'm using ChatGPT. 4.1 is the latest version. Vision and language models like dialogue models and Claude, Canva. There are plenty of tools are available. So this is the best example prompt engineering techniques I'm using. See, technique, what is a prompt template and description. So role playing, you are an expert in health domain known for key objective. Key adjective you need to write. So telling that AI to act as a famous expert or celebrity. Then how you need to give a prompt, style unbundling like describe the key element of expert, style, skill in bullet points. So what is the description of that prompt? It describes what you like about a style, rather which color, and then copying directly. Then emotion prompting, help me. So you are giving a task. Please make sure attribute this take is very important for my career. So what is the description you are giving? Use emotional blackmail and persuasion with the artificial intelligence. Then a few short learning like prompt template we are using. Generate 10 examples of task. Generate a task for new context. Here are the inputs like add examples of the completed task to the completed task. So recently we have used ChatGPT for preparing a 180 pages thesis. One of my friends submitted his thesis, 180 pages of thesis, and we have used ChatGPT. Surprisingly, we got 5% plagiarism. Can you imagine? 180 pages of thesis we have written on research, 5% plagiarism we got. I will show you that practicals, how best we have written a thesis. So same thing, these are the prompt engineering best practices. You need to be clear and concise what you are going to do. Give your prompt the efficient manner. Perform iterative testing. steer artificial intelligence behavior with the detailed prompts. Then evaluate artificial intelligence model feedback, then establish success metrics to measure prompt performance. See, and what are the challenges in prompt engineering? There are many challenges like complex AI models. We have complex AI models like CNN model is a complex AI model, RNN, recurrent neural networks, and a long short-term memory, and Keras model, TensorFlow model. These are the various models and artificial intelligence biases we are using, like how many number of input layers, how many number of hidden layers, how many number of output layers we are getting. Whether the data is sensitive data, suppose you are handling Aadhaar card data, it is a sensitive data. So you will not get Aadhaar card data as freely available in the internet. No, until unless you get the permission from the government of India, then only you are getting Aadhaar card database. That is called sensitive data. Banking data is a sensitive data. Insufficient or biased training data, then collaboration. These are the various research challenges. So there are types of prompt engineering in natural language processing. I'm using English, is using Telugu, and is using Hindi. I can show you different languages, how easily we can convert one prompt to another prompt. So here, the classification of different prompts engineering methods used in designing effective interactions with large language models like LLMs. You know LLMs? There are plenty of LLMs are available in the market right now. So if you see zero shot prompting, see how you don't know anything about what you are going to do. So you need to you are depending on so and so model understanding. So simply you are giving translate the following sentence to French. I am happy. So like bonjour. I am happy. You convert into Hindi. You convert into other languages. Then one shot prompting, like example you are giving, translate to French. Hello. Hello is a English. Bonjour is a French word. Now translate into good night. See, now you are going to use one shot prompting. Hello, I'm giving to my chat GPT, hello to bonjour, then good night, what? You are giving question mark. Immediately AI chat GPT gives us the related answer. AI output response. Few short prompting, like see, translate French, hello, bonjour, thank you, merci, then good morning. So this is few short prompting. That means you are giving 2-3 sentences models, then you are expecting your answer from the chat GPT. Then chain of thought prompting, like I'm giving the full chain of thoughts, like if a car travels 60 kilometers in 2 hours, what is the speed? First divided 60 by 2, so the speed is 30 kilometers. See, this way of giving a prompt is called chain of thought prompting. Then instruction based prompting, see, it directly instructs the model on what do you use imperative language. You know, all LLMs, large language models like ChatGPT is a model. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. Example, instruction-based prompting I'm giving, prompt like summarize the following paragraph in 20 words. I'm going to show you provide 8 keywords for my research paper. 8 major keywords for my research paper. Immediately it is giving 8 research paper, 8 keywords among entire 20-30 pages paper. Then role-based prompting, how you are giving role-based. You are a medical doctor. I'm giving to ChatGPT like this my prompt within the double quotation. You are a medical doctor. Explain the symptoms of diabetes in simple terms. This type of prompt is called role-based prompting. Then context-aware prompting, like which context you are describing. See, we are talking to seniors, we are talking to elders because their experience matters. Here, same like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they are seniors. We are asking questions to them, they are responding the best answers. So context aware prompting says that given the user's previous question about whether, respond to, should I carry an umbrella today in Sydney? Yes. So this is the, which you are feeding the data as a context. Which context? So weather, related to weather, should I carry an umbrella today in Sydney? So immediately it says, based on the weather report, it gives immediate response. Multimodal prompting is nothing but, so we are combining text with other audio, video, text, graphics, animation, etc. Based on this chest X-ray images, CT scan, computer tomography images, CT scan images describe signs of pneumonia. See, so many things I'm integrating, leveraging. I'm leveraging audio, video, text, graphics, many things. That prompting is called multimodal prompting. So these are the various techniques I have explained. Then what are the do's and don'ts prompting, like basic versus advanced prompts in ChatGPT I'm going to show you, and hands-on practice I'm going to demonstrate. And these are the core components of prompt engineering in natural language processing, NLP, see here, it starts with token, fundamental elements, key components, prompt engineering. So you are asking precisely formulated inputs given to a language model. Then what is the context? Then what is a prompt? What is a fine tuning and priming? So these are the, in first level you are asking one question, second level precise question, next again refinement question. So these are the various components you are developing your skills, how best I can utilize AI tools. These are the top 10 topics in prompt engineering. Chain of thought prompting I have explained. Zero shot and few shot prompting examples I have given. Prompt templates, prompt chaining, instruction based prompting. I have explained already all these. Context aware, multimodal prompting, prompt tuning and optimization, adversarial prompting, and explainable prompt engineering by incorporating AI concepts, adversarial and explainable AI, etc. These are the 5 steps to crafting the best AI prompts. Like first one, use clear and concise language, what you are speaking, what you are typing, what you are writing. Then set the context and provide necessary background information, then only AI can understand. Then include a specific instructions or guidelines, giving a prompt. Then incorporate example inputs and desired outputs. Then anticipate potential challenges and address them in the prompt. These are the 5 steps to crafting the best AI prompts. Then these are the 5 steps to crafting the best AI prompts just now we have seen. Then these are the prompt engineering techniques. We have seen already all these 10 techniques, how we are utilizing different types of prompts. Then core techniques in prompt engineering, like least to most. So we are starting with breakdown a complex task into simpler subtasks, arranged from least to most difficult to aid model reasoning. So this is one core technique. Then self-ask, like encourages the model to generate intermediate questions for better step-by-step answers. Then meta prompt means the prompt about the prompt is called a meta prompt. It uses a prompt to guide the generation of other prompts. optimizing performance across tasks, chain of thoughts, we are guiding the model to reason step by step for articulating its thought process before arriving at the final answer. Then react, reason plus act, symbolic reason, it integrates structure logic, rules. Then PAL, program aided language models. Here, in these models, we are using APIs. In computer terminology, application programming interfaces like libraries. If you are using Python, Java, we have libraries, inbuilt functions called libraries to help LLMs to solve computational or structured problems. So that is one more technique. Iterative prompting, refines responses over multiple prompt rounds to improve the accuracy or detail. Then sequential prompting, one by one. See, if I'm writing research article, first I'm searching for a title, then choosing the broad area, then I'm finding the 10 literature survey papers, then I'm finding the what are the limitations and research gaps. Then I'll find out the 20 papers, and I'm developing a literature survey table. From that table, I'm taking what are the drawbacks identified. To overcome those drawbacks, what are the existing systems are available, and what are the proposed systems they have used in their literature survey papers. Then combining all proposed techniques, I am building one hybrid model or advanced model, advanced technique I am using to avoid the drawbacks, issues. So there I am using iterative prompting, sequential prompting, self-consistency, and automatic reasoning and tool use, generated knowledge. There are various techniques. And these are the tools I'm using. So prompt engineering tools like LangChain, Azure Prompt Flow. Azure is a product of Microsoft company, and Helicon.ai. These are the prompt engineering tools, and AI tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, Go, Jasper AI. These are the various tools. And we have Hugging Face, Bard by Google AI, Gemini, and Lambda by Google AI, Jasper, Copy.ai. There are various prompt engineering tools are available. Top 10 prompt engineering tools I have shown just now. OpenAI ChatGPT is one of the prompt engineering tool. Hugging Face Transformers, open source platform to test and deploy prompts across multiple language models. Prompt Perfect, we are using AI models. LangChain models, Flow GPT, generative pre-trained transformers, then Flow GPT. So these are the 5 top prompt engineering softwares, tools and softwares we are using. Azure Prompt Flow, it is a prompt engineering tool from a Microsoft company. And then Agenta company, and Helicon from Helicon.ai. Then we have LangChain, then LLM Studio. These are the various prompt engineering softwares and tools. These are the 12 prompting techniques we have seen. Then, so these are the tools. What are the top 10 advantages of prompt engineering? We are improving the accuracy because by using this AI tool, I'm developing the best research paper, and reduced hallucination. Sometimes this LLMs gives wrong output. LLMs means large language models gives wrong output, misconceptions, and assumptions by assuming and providing the output. Such type of scenarios is called hallucinations, and incorrect answers, fabricated information. So we are reducing with help of these prompt engineering tools. Then task-specific adaptability, I want to develop a healthcare product, healthcare software, package, app. etc. Then education, law, enhanced creativity, uh, marketing and design, etc. So these are the advantages of prompt engineering. We are maintaining accuracy and relevance, creativity and fluency, saving time and effort, and promoting innovation, improved accessibility, etc. Then these are the advantages: time saving and multilingual capabilities. Multilingual means you are running with different languages. I don't know French. Immediately I'm converting that sentence to Telugu, Telugu to Hindi, Hindi to English. That is a multimodal capabilities, time saving, increased interpretability, easy to understanding of one sentence to another sentence, transparency, cost effectiveness, then better user control. These are the advantages. Then these are the top 10 disadvantages are also available. Ambiguity in output, sometimes wrong output, irrelevant responses, sometimes. That is called hallucination, trial and error dependency, limited generalizability, lack of transparency, overfitting prompts, and these are the disadvantages, like see, overwhelming alerts, privacy concerns, dependency on technology, collaboration, bias and inaccuracy, potential for misuse, limited creativity, etc. So these are the drawbacks. Context length limitation. Suppose you cannot upload more than 10 files, in ChatGPT. Suppose I want to upload at a time 20 research articles, so that I would like to find out drawbacks of that papers. But it is not allowing because of limited control over output style, scalability challenges, model specific behavior, etc. Then these are the popular prompt engineering applications like sentiment analysis. We are using AI tools, language translation, question answering, text summarization, code generation, chatbot responses like chatbot. Alexa, Siri, Google Talk, those are the chatbot responses. Document classification, image captioning, and named entity recognition, etc. And these are the top 10 research challenges, like prompt robustness across models, like we are using LLMs. Still some research is ongoing on LLMs, cross-lingual prompt effectiveness, measuring prompt quality, reducing prompt sensitivity, multi-objective prompting. These are the challenges. Explainability of prompt output, adaptation to user intent. There are prompt optimization techniques. Still R&D is ongoing. Bias and fairness in prompt design, scalability for domain specific prompts, etc. So these are the challenges. Ambiguous prompts lead to unfocused responses, complexity handling, inconsistent tone, style, leading the model with a lot of context, etc. So these are the solutions. So these are the top 10 research writing prompts. So easily, if you want to develop any research article, creates a structured SCI ready paper format is available. That is one top prompt. Generate a research paper outline for the topic like mastering prompt engineering for AI. Writing a compelling abstract for an SCI paper, how prompt engineering transforms vague AI ideas into smart research. Like depends on your situation, context, we are developing a number of prompts. So with that prompts, we are getting a best output of the abstract, introduction, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, etc. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate a practical session. See here. So so far theory part is completed. Now I'm going to demonstrate with the practical session. My dear participants, is there any doubt? Please ask me right now. 5 minutes. Any doubt? If no doubt, can I continue? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can continue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can continue. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you so much. So this is my ChatGPT, ChatGPT 4.0 I'm using right now. There is available 4.1 with the latest features are available. See, this is called a LLM, large language model. This is a model called, see, just I will simply I can log out and log in. See here, ChatGPT. So I have see in left side so many tasks I have performed last 5 years. Last 5 years I'm using a ChatGPT for research purpose, for many tasks I'm doing. See what's on your mind today. So my mind, how best I can give, suppose I would like to develop the best abstract into very good concepts. Before going to develop a research paper, in my mind, I want to find out how many types of viral diseases are available right now, latest viral diseases, because we have struggled in during COVID period. Let me know what type of viral diseases are available. See, for that what I am doing, list out, this is my prompt. List out top 10 viral diseases. Okay, so in my mind, I get idea. Okay, let me check how many latest viral diseases are available in the globe. So it will give immediately list out top 10 viral diseases with the one sentence answers. With one sentence answer. See, this is my prompt. Immediately, what I am expecting, here are the top 10 viral diseases with one sentence description. See, the first one, influenza, flu. Then second one, COVID-19. Third one, HIV, AIDS. Fourth one, hepatitis B. Fifth one is hepatitis C, dengue fever, Zika virus, Ebola virus, measles, rabies. So these are the top 10. What I am doing, top 10 viral diseases I have taken. Now I am asking, see, now next prompt immediately. Okay. I want to search the best papers related to my topic, top 10 viral disease detection prediction. Just it is example. So what I am saying, provide top 10. See, this is the way I am doing last 5 years. Very simple to develop a research paper. This is my idea. Let me check how easily I can find out viral disease detection. For that, I just now I have listed top 10 viral diseases. Now I am a researcher. I am finding right now, provide top 10 literature survey papers. Provide top 10 literature survey papers on these double quotes begin, paste top 10 topics. Okay. So see what I have done. Provide top 10 literature survey papers on this topic. You can write like this, on this topic, on these topics, on double quotes begin, top 10 viral diseases. Okay. So provide, again I am writing, provide URLs. URLs means unified, okay, resource locator. You know, URLs means www.chartgpt.com it is a URL. Provide URLs are links to download these literature survey papers on this topic. What is the topic name? Viral diseases detection and prediction. In my mind it is there. So I have collected 10 top 10 viral diseases, and now I am searching for the papers, literature survey papers. Now see here, it will display top 10 papers, latest papers. See, here are the 10 recent papers, mostly open access review survey papers. See, first paper, deep learning techniques for detection and prediction of pandemic prone diseases. So this is the Springer link. Now I am downloading my paper, first paper. See how simple I am downloading. So this is the paper first, LS, literature survey paper. See, I am downloading and keeping in one folder. So like that, 10 papers I am downloading. Within 10 minutes, I am going to develop a literature survey table. From that table, I am finding the drawbacks. Then I am applying proposed technique. Then I am finding the research topic. From that topic, I am generating abstract. This is the scenario. I am going to see here what I am doing. I have collected, so viral diseases. My topic is viral diseases. Okay. So this is the first topic. So first LS1, literature survey paper 1. Keep in mind, first paper is completed. Next, second paper. So automated detection and forecasting, I am downloading. If you have system, you can do parallelly so that you can develop today's practical session. Very, very important. This is the base concept for entire 5 days program. See, now I am downloading second literature paper, literature survey paper. See now. So second literature paper I am downloading. It takes only 1 minute for one paper I am downloading. See, this is the paper I am downloading. Second paper, literature survey 2. LS2 means literature survey paper 2. Next, I am closing. Third one, a survey on applications of artificial intelligence in the fighting against COVID-19. See, this is one more paper. So view PDF, I'm downloading like this, 10 papers. I'll show you how to develop a drawbacks literature survey table. From that table, I'm developing a excellent research topic. From that, I'm developing abstract. Okay. So this is the third literature survey paper I'm downloading. So this is the way we are downloading top 10 papers, latest papers, this one. The size of the paper is, oh, that's why it is taking. It is a, see here. Wait, it is taking time. Ah, yes. I need this. Okay, let it be. Ah, yes, this paper came finally. So third literature survey paper. If you have system, you can also do practical. It is loading because of it is loading. 1 second. So likewise, I'm downloading all the 10 papers. Okay. So third paper. So it is taking time. Loading preview. Then I'll go for next paper. Machine learning for infectious diseases risk prediction. Here also. See, next paper. So view paper. It is getting slowly. So next paper. I'm downloading latest papers on literature survey papers. Yeah, now it is coming slowly, system. Yes, LS3 means literature survey 3. I'm closing this one. And fifth paper, fourth paper. Yes, now see, literature survey 4. Fourth paper I have downloaded. Next, fifth paper, a systematic review of machine learning. It is a preprint. So it is a preprint means before going to publish, the paper goes to preprints. That paper also I am downloading. It's a latest one on viral diseases. Next paper, detection of RNA viruses. See here, RNA. This is one more paper. So here I need to download this paper. See, view PDF version. So next paper, see here, I am downloading this paper. Yeah, LS5, literature survey paper 5. So this paper is completed. Next paper, seventh paper, Springer link, internet-based paper. So once, if you get 10 papers, minimum 10 papers, so that 10 drawbacks we can identify from 10 LS6. Okay, then next paper, again diseases. So like that, you need to download all the papers. Download PDF. See, I'm downloading this paper, disease outbreak detection and forecasting, viral diseases, LS7. Next paper, Springer link, transforming clinical virology with AI. See now, system is very slow right now. I don't know. Yeah, it is getting slow. So ninth paper, Springer paper. Yeah. So ninth paper is a Springer paper again. See here. 10 papers I am downloading. Now I will develop LS7, LS8. Here only you can download the papers. No need to go into Google. So if you have licensed version ChatGPT, there itself you can download the papers. This is MDPI journal paper. So here downloading option. Download PDF. Yeah, now literature survey 9. Okay, 9 papers and one more paper still downloading. I don't know. This paper is getting very slow. Preprint. Okay, leave it that preprint. You can ask one more paper like this. Immediately, it will provide one more paper. because that preprints paper, it is taking time. That's why I'm going for next paper. I'm downloading 10 papers. So now what I'm going to do now practical. See, I got 10 papers, 10 literature survey papers. Okay. So now immediately what I'm doing, I'm going to see in ChatGPT, I'm uploading the 10 papers of literature review, generate table of data with columns. I need to mention my columns like literature survey table column, just like I'll show you one example. How easily columns like serial number, name of the author, and existing system, proposed system, like see author details, like these are the columns. I need to feed the data columns here in my ChatGPT. I am uploading the 10 papers. Now I am developing literature survey table. Okay. So my first column is author first name, ETAL, at all means remaining authors. Then limitations, issue, challenges, existing method, proposed method, data set, utilized, techniques, applied, what are the tools, validation metrics, future directions, reference. So now I'm uploading 10 papers. See here, add photos or files. Now I'm uploading the files. So I'm uploading the papers. So top 10 papers of viral diseases, detection, prediction papers. Just now I have downloaded. Okay. So these are the viral papers. See now, 10 papers. I am uploading 10 papers to the system. What is this? This is no need. So I'm uploading 10 papers, 10 literature survey papers right now. Now it is going to generate an excellent literature survey table. See here. So 10 papers I'm uploading. Now it is uploading. See here, my screen is visible. Please acknowledge me. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
It's visible.
Yes, sir. You are
Yes, it
visible.
is visible.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you.
Visible.
Yeah, thank you so much. So now 10 papers I have uploaded. Now see, it will generate a table. Now it is going to generate a table of data. So 10 papers in front of you I have downloaded, and now I am generating literature survey table. See, now it is generate. See, it is saying, okay, editable table title, literature survey. Yeah. So see that prompt is it is not understanding properly. Literature survey table. Again, I'm changing here. See here. See, I'm uploading the 10 papers of literature review papers. Generate a table of data with columns. Yeah. Now again, I'm refining the prompt. Now it is understanding and generating the table of data right now. Now my model is analyzing right now. See here, see viral diseases, unable to display visualization. Here is a structured table framework for summarizing. Okay, so let me refine the once again. First, I will feed the data. I am uploading the papers. I am uploading the I'm uploading the 10 papers. After that, I will ask the related questions. So I'm feeding the system. Okay. So just I'm uploading 10 papers again. Then system has to understand. My large language model has to understand. So 10 papers I'm uploading. After that, I will ask the same question. See now, my system understanding all the reading documents right now. All 10 papers it is reading. See LS1, LS2. Okay. So it is reading and now it is generating. Now see author, first author. Okay. Limitation, existing method, proposed approach, data sets used. So here again I will refine the my prompt, generate table of data with the columns. So what are the columns I need to feed once again? Copy the columns like, see here, I'm pasting columns. Based on the uploaded 10 papers. Generate table of data here on the screen. Here on this screen so that I can copy and paste. See, Chat GPT just like as a kid, how we are asking the questions. Same way we need to see now. Now it is generating excellent author, first author, then limitations, existing method, proposed method, data sets used, techniques, everything. 10 papers it is generated. Now see now what I am doing, just simply I am copying this 10 papers with the URL also. So now I got excellent table. Now I'm going to my viral diseases. See here, viral diseases folder. In this folder, I'm creating a literature survey table. See, so this is table 1. Table 1, literature survey or literature review. You can, or literature survey table 1. So just open this literature survey table. Second, I need to close this one. Yeah, now I'm opening Excel sheet. I'm pasting. Now see here. So first author, see this one, my table. Then limitations and issues and challenges. Then existing method, proposed approach, data sets utilized, techniques applied, tools applied, and validation metrics, future directions, and where I have downloaded the paper, URL. So I'm selecting all 10 papers. I'm converting into my Times New Roman so that, wait. See, Times New Roman, I'm making as a table all borders. Now this one, see, all these papers. See, 10 papers I'm taking. See now, in this one, this entire column, limitations, issue, challenges, languages, challenges. I'm copying this entire limitations. I'm feeding to the my chat GPT to overcome these drawbacks, These drawbacks means I'm pasting all the drawbacks of my 10 papers. Use latest proposed technique. use latest proposed technique. Okay, use latest proposed technique. So simply it will say what is the latest technique. Now it is providing. See, I'm finding all the top 10 drawbacks. See, what is the challenge? What is the latest proposed technique? It is giving 10 table. So poor labeling, low performance, lack of high quality data sets, manual diagnosis. These are the challenges, and these are the latest techniques. So see, by using this data, see, I'm copying this data again. See, I'm copying